Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero. Welcome to another update video on the Nuls ecosystem. This past month, there were some important updates, and there are still opportunities to earn cryptocurrency through some ongoing airdrop campaigns. Let's start with the Engage to Earn announcement. This program aims to encourage the use of tools across the entire Nuls ecosystem, rewarding users who do so. This campaign is happening through the Nabox ID tool, and the first major mission has already taken place, which involves using a bridge with the Nuls blockchain worth 500 points. The platform is essentially this one, but I'll leave the link for you in the description. Within the program, there are two missions, one that gives you 500 XP for bridging Nuls to the Nuls blockchain, and another offering XP for downloading the Nabox Wallet and starting to accumulate points. According to the official announcement, the idea is to accumulate these XP points to earn Nuls rewards in the future. This is essentially an airdrop mechanic. This next update is for those who like to speculate with meme coins. On October 31st, Bullcoin, a meme coin on the Nuls blockchain, was officially launched. Apparently, it is already possible to trade this meme coin through the tip tag on the Nuls blockchain. Just connect your wallet to this DEX to trade. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we see that there was an appreciation from its listing price. For those who enjoy the Nuls pot, which allows you to stake Nuls and receive rewards from other projects, a new project called Wipes has been listed, which is already available on the platform. Just access the POTN platform, connect your wallet, stake your Nuls and start receiving the Swipes token, which is the token of the BNDR project, an artificial intelligence project. In this next update, I already made a dedicated video explaining the step-by-step on how to participate. I'm talking about the Suisse Blockchain and the pre-sale of its token, called Suisse. For those who don't know, this project will introduce a solution called SuissePad, a fully regulated launchpad in Switzerland. The Suisse token of the platform will serve as one of the eligibility criteria to secure spots for purchasing projects that will be launched in the future. In other words, it's a platform for launching new projects. On this platform, you will have the opportunity to buy tokens from these projects while they are still in their initial phase. However, to secure a spot to purchase these projects, you will need the Suisse token, which will give you a certain score, and consequently a purchase spot for these projects. The first stage of the Suisse token pre-sale sold out in just 4 hours, and now we are in the second stage. But if you still want to know how to make this purchase, don't worry, because I'll leave the specific video in the description. Recently, there was an update that allows for network fee payments on the Nuls blockchain to be made in Bitcoin Ethereum and Nuls. With this update, Nuls stakers have the option to receive Bitcoin and Ethereum due to these fees. But the news got even better after Nuls co-founder Reaper Ran proposed starting 2 nodes to accelerate the distribution of these rewards. This proposal will use community funds, and the community will vote on whether to approve it. The idea is apparently to create 2 nodes with 500 million Nuls in each, where 80% of these nodes' yields in Bitcoin and Ethereum will be distributed to stakers. As a Nuls staker, I found it really cool to receive Bitcoin and Ethereum in my wallet just by staking Nuls. Once I finish this video, I'll go to the forum and use my Nuls to vote in favor of this update. For you to understand, here in my Nabox wallet on the Nuls network, in the fee section, you can choose between Bitcoin, Ethereum and Nuls. So, if you have Bitcoin and Ethereum in your Nabox wallet, you can use them to pay the network fees. This integration on the Nuls network was implemented recently, and the Nabox Wallet integration with this option was announced on October 17th. Additionally, there is now an option to bring Bitcoin and Ethereum to the Nuls network via a bridge using Swapbox. At the start of this video, I mentioned earning opportunities through social interactions like airdrops. Fortunately, that was not the only one. Now I'll show you another one, which is the Nabox Wallet Halloween campaign, which started on November 1st. According to the official announcement, $600 in USDT and Nuls will be distributed to 60 different people, $200 in Nuls and $400 in USDT. To participate, just retweet, like and join the campaign on Nabox ID. Here, you'll find some social tasks you need to complete to enter the draw. Don't worry, there are still 6 days left to participate. Take part, because I've already won several times myself. To prove I'm not lying, here are my awards from previous Nabox Wallet campaigns. Since I participated in many, even though I didn't win all, the accumulated prizes are pretty interesting. So, participate, because it's very simple, free, and you could win. In Nabox ID under the Tasks tab, besides other campaigns offering prizes, you'll find all the rounds of this Halloween campaign, including round 6 that I just showed you. So, there are several missions you can participate in. Round 1 ends in a few hours, but keep an eye on the others and their end dates. Within Nabox ID under Tasks, you'll find official Nabox missions, but you'll also find missions from other projects. Each project may offer different rewards, but generally, it's pretty easy to participate. Still talking about airdrops, from October 24th to 30th, an airdrop partnership between Second Live and Nabox Wallet took place. Unfortunately, that one is over, and it was very simple to participate. As I mentioned, within Nabox ID, there are other ongoing airdrops. This one, for example, offers $700 in prizes to 7 winners. The project is called Spot Zero, and you'll find this mission in the Tasks tab. In addition to that airdrop within Nabox ID, the Spot Zero project is also holding another giveaway on Galx, which runs until November 10th and offers $3,000 in prizes. Just in this part of the video, I've given you several campaigns you can participate in to win prizes for free without needing to invest anything. Of course, you won't win all, but the more you participate, the better your chances. So, there are plenty of campaigns for you to join. Now let's continue with updates on the Swapbox tool, which is a Nabox wallet swap and bridge tool. There were several listings here, such as Baby Mega, Grass, MTS from the Meta Plus project, Baby CZ, SCR from the Scroll project, Deegan from the Degenerate News project on the Base network, Baby Nairo, and finally, Moondang. In other words, several listings. If you follow the update videos, you'll notice that Nabox Wallet has been expanding a lot, both in terms of new coin listings and new blockchain networks, as well as integrating new coins with its platforms like Swapbox. This greatly increases liquidity and gradually attracts the interest of various users. Continuing this expansion, there was the integration of a new blockchain network called Viction, the integration of a new decentralized app called Dex, and the integration of Swapbox with the on-ramp money platform. For those who like to farm airdrops from blockchain networks, Nabox Wallet is now compatible with the major super chains, including Optimism, Mint, Base, Mode, and a few others. Guys, for those who don't know, Swapbox utilizes many tools from the Nerve network. So, behind Swapbox, Nerve network is working to perform various functions, but the network itself also had some interesting updates on its platform. Within Nerve network, there are functions such as providing liquidity for this solution. The NBT liquidity pair with the Ray token had an interesting APR of 119%. This means you could offer liquidity in this trading pair with a high APR. But remember to consider the risks and analyze projects before providing liquidity. Continuing with updates, there was also the integration of the Kava EVM blockchain with Nerve network, and a token bridge for USDT and USDC to the Celo blockchain network. So, if you have another compatible blockchain, you can easily and affordably exchange tokens between networks at pair 1-to-1. Finally, liquidity was added for the Slime token between the Base and Nuls networks, meaning you can transfer this token freely between these networks. These token additions may not seem very significant, but the more tokens and liquidity added within the platform, the more usability it gains, allowing for the free circulation of various tokens between blockchains more simply. Well guys, these were the updates for the month. If you liked this summary, please don't forget to give a like below, and also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming content I'll bring. Well, I'm going to end here. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.